Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you that how to use snipping tool or snapping tool and whatever you want to say it, snipping tool or snapping tool. So it is a very useful tool we have in Windows 10 and not sure whether we have in Windows 7, but I think we can just if we do not have in Windows 7, so we can download it, right? But in by default we have this snipping tool in Windows 10, right? So what you have to do, suppose you have to just capture a screenshot and you have to just highlight some screenshot values and you have to send it through mail. So you can just use snipping tool. It's a very good tool, right? So I will show you that how to use it, right? Suppose if you have not used this tool, so I will show you that how can you just get this tool. So simply go to the start menu, type here snipping tool. Once you will click here, then you will see this menu over here, right? So this is a menu, snipping tools menu. So it has a new mode, delay and options. So it's a very useful tool. That's why I just pinned it on my taskbar. So you can also pin it on your taskbar as well, because it is a very important, because most of the time we have to send the screenshots. uh, Suppose we are just processing some any kind of jobs and any kind of transactions we are doing, and suddenly we face some errors in application or website, so we can highlight the error using taking a screenshot. If we take the normal screenshot, then we have to go to the paint, then we have to just manipulate over there. But this snipping tool is very good tool, right? So I will show you that how to use it, as I have already pinned it over in my taskbar. So simply click here. Once you will click here, then you will see these things. Suppose you will click on the new. Once you will click on new, so whatever the window we have in the background, so it will just by default select it, right? So simply drag the using your keyboard, select the area, uh, and your screenshot is captured, right? So you can save it using this save options. Simply click here and you can save it in anywhere in any folder, right? So this is the first option we have in this. It has multiple options actually. So it's the first option. Simply click here, new, and take the screenshot. It is basically the extension of these images in a PNG format, right? So after that you can also change it in a PDF and whatever format you want to change, you can change it as well. So next is mode. So if you'll go to the mode, then it is a free from snip. It means you have to manually draw the area from where you have to take the screenshot. Suppose I'm taking it manually, right? So my art is not good. So I just captured this area. So you can see that it has captured only this part, and you can save it and you can send it as well. Suppose you want to copy this particular area, right? So simply you can go to this option, that is copy. You do not have to select and you do not have to do anything. Simply click here in copy option, and wherever you want to copy or paste. Suppose I want to paste it in an Outlook. So my Outlook is not working. Actually, right now it is not working. Simply I do Control V, paste option. Then it will simply paste it. Right. So you can just paste it in Word, PPT, anywhere you can just paste it. So this is our first option. I'm just going to delete it now. So we have second option, new, and this we were in this mode. This is a rectangular snip. Rectangular means, so you need to just select the area, right? That's all you will have to do. It will just copy that much of area in rectangular shape. Suppose this is my channel, and if I want to copy only this part, so simply select this part and that's all, right? So one more thing you will have to understand, that whenever you are just, suppose you are taking the screenshot. So if suppose I just want to take the screenshot of this window. So this window should be in a background. It should not be like we have multiple browsers and multiple applications are open right now. And if you want to take the screenshot of this window, but it is in a minimized state, right? But if I take the screenshot, so it will take the background one. It will take the directly, it will focus on the background application or browser and whatever you have opened in your whatever images you have in your background, right? So make sure that if you want to take the screenshot of this window, so this window should be open, right? So it is open right now. I will go to this part and I will simply go to the rectangular shape and I will just highlight this area, and that's all we will have to do. And the screenshot is ready and we can save it, and we can so we have other option as well. I will just reveal it one by one, right? So this new one is complete. Rectangular window snip. Snip means, suppose just click here, so it will select the complete window, right? Window snip. Okay, I think it has taken the screenshot. No, it's not. Simply click here, window snip, and just click here. Okay, so what I have done, what I have do, what so I just simply clicked on window snip and just clicked here. Just suddenly, as soon as I just clicked here, so it has just taken the screenshot of the complete window, right? So another options we have here, like full screen snip. So it will take the full screen snapshot and it will save it inside the PNG format. Suppose it, then it will just save it in a PNG actions, right? So I'm just going to delete it now. So we have other option as well here, like delay. Delay means, suppose this application is currently open in my background, right? But I want to take the screenshot of this window, but this window is in a minimize state, right? So what I will have to do, I just give the 5-second delay. So it will give me a 5-second time that whatever the window I want to open, then it will, during this period of time I would be able to just open it, and I will just keep it in a background, and after that I can take the screenshot. Suppose I have given the 5-second delay, and I will go to this part and I will take the rectangular snip. So 5-second delay, I have to just open this application. So now 5 seconds is done and it has just highlighted the area. So I can just select this part and it has taken the screenshot. So delay means, so it will give you 5-second delay to open your applications, right? So suppose I will, okay, I will go to this part and this window now, and I will take the screenshot again. Suppose I want to take the screenshot of, I will take the window snip and I will just click here, right? So the screenshot is ready. And suppose I have to just highlight some areas. So we have multiple options, just like in a paint. So this is a highlighter. I can highlight this part. Suppose I just want to highlight this one, so you can use the highlighter as well. And we have multiple pens like red, blue, black, and custom pen we can also select. So I will select the red one, so I can select this one. So whatever the information you have in your screenshot, if you want to highlight anything and if you want to mark it and you want to just do use the highlighter, you can use it. And suppose you want to just remove anything, simply click here and just you can delete your highlighted area. So you can use all these options, right? And after that, most important part, suppose you can save it. Suppose I want to save it in my desktop, so I can just save it. It is saved in the my desktop. And let's suppose I have to send a mail to some other users or to our manager. So what you will have to do, so we have this mail option as well. So it has a compatibility with the Outlook. Okay, my Outlook is not working. Okay, I think there is some issue. Okay, no worries. So suppose I want to take the screenshot, I want to send it to someone. So if I'll use this one, this part, and I will just click on uh, email option, then you can see that it has attached entire PNG file to my Outlook. And then I can simply change the subject line. I can just send the write the mailer list, and I can send it directly from here, right? So simply you need to do what you will have to do, simply click over here. Suppose you do not want to take the screenshot and if you want to send as an attachment, so simply click here and click on the email recipients. Then you can see that it has attached this file directly to your Outlook, so you can send it then to anyone, right? So now you would be able to understand it how important this snipping tool. So if you do not have the knowledge, so you can explore this and you can just this tool as well, and you can just find out all these options here. So this is very user friendly and you can use it very easily, and if you want to send the mail and if you want to highlight the area and if you want to save it as a PNG format, you can do it, right? I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.